Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Personalized Federated Learning for the Circular VR Online Learning and Dynamic Coachings. Our project abstract is in this paper present to the field of view FoV aware to the catching stagnancies for the mobile edge computing MVC enabled to the wireless virtual reality VR network to ensure to that seamless and real-time video delivery. The proposed approaches the cache of the prefetched to the VR used to the FoV to the base station using to the decentralized and then personalized federated learning DP and FL algorithm tailored for the individually BS and then DP for the FL method personalized the contacting delivery while providing for the approximately current PAC method. Graduate on the cache hit rates to reduce to the communication overhead 1-bit stochastic gradient desert quantization OBSGD is employed, the achieving a coverage rate of additionally VR users FOV are the group in the multicast or the unicast group based on the demand and wireless channel dynamic optimization network resource used to that evaluation of the realistic VR head tracking data democratized to the proposed model for catching outperformance baseline method is reduced to the average delay and improving cache hint offering and an efficient solution for the wireless VR contents of the delivery. Our project flowchart is first we have start with the Anaconda Navigator Spider tool. So we are using to the front end for the statement. The user first will be register and log in. After that, the students data we have taken. So we have entered to the knowledge based assessment. So IQ level monitoring. So if you have entered to the test, so totally 15 questions we imported is automatically answer wise we have predicted to the IQ recommendation part. After that we are directing to the adaptive learning path and then customized learning path. So it based on the progress tracking method and end to that model. So log out to the process. Our project execution based on. So this is a home page. Personalized federated learning for the circular VR online learning and dynamic coaching. So first we have sign up. For example, we have entered to the shallow and password shallow. So is already there means we have entered to that CMP and password is CMP and confirm password. So it's successfully that. So we can enter to the login CMP. So student's name. So we have entered to the CMP. So the student what is the capital of Paris? France is Paris. 12. Who wrote to the Romeo Juliet? I think William Shakespeare. So after to the boiling century 120 degree and I am entering to the some date the president chemical symbol of gold CH2 red plant Jupiter and then who is paint of Mona Lisa? No. And then root of 9 submit to the answer Paris. So these are the answer wise. So keyword is deducted. So IQ level will be test. So the corrected answer for that William Shakespeare and after to that Mars. So what are the incorrect answers? So this is the current answer. So everything is incorrect and these 10th question is correct. So totally the IQ estimator is a 21. So we have moved on to the foundation of the attention training and the download to that part. So it recommended to the conduct defectly timing based student space and learning performance. Thank you.